Hi, this is John Stewart, and this is how to use a compass. There's many different types and styles of compasses, but you can use a very basic one and find your way anytime you need to. There's many different things on a compass that you need to know about for you to be able to use it. The first thing is the dial. On all compasses, there's going to be a dial that's going to spin 360 degrees, a complete circle. In the center of your compass, there's going to be two arrows. One's red and one's white. They point the opposite direction of each other. On the dial that spins around, there's going to be a red arrow also. This is going to come in handy for lining up and getting your direct measurements. On the outer edges of your compass, there are going to be measurements, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 1 inch, and centimeter measurements. These are going to be there for when you're marking your distances according to how a map is read. A map might say that 1 inch is 10 miles, so you can use your compass to measure out the mileage that you're expecting to have to hike. But how to use the compass is very easy. Find your bearing. Say you want to go 24 degrees. You're going to take and put the dial on 24 degrees, spin the dial to where both red arrows line up. Once the arrows line up, you're going to walk that direction, and it's going to point you in the right way of going 24 degrees. And that's how it is to use a compass.